Hello and very good evening. My name is Supriya, and today I'm here to explain you the concept of asynchronous programming. So basically, what does it mean, asynchronous? As the name itself is suggesting that something which is not synced to one another. When the things are synced to one another, it just hampers the execution of the second code. What I mean is, if you are executing multiple codes, if you are executing multiple tabs, suppose you have to run mail also, you have to run code also, and you have to run, multiple tasks you have to do. So what you are preferring that you are supposed to do each and every task on the same time, right? And if your programs are synced, if your programs are in such a way arranged that if only one program gets completed, then only second will get executed, and the moment second gets done, then only third will get executed. So this will take longer period of time, right? So in this asynchronous, what it means is that you can run multiple tabs, you can run multiple codes at just a one certain period of time. It saves you lots of time, and moreover, programmers prefer this asynchronous because being a programmer, you have to run multiple of things at a one time only. Because you are composing a mail also, you are, doing the coding in the background also, and one more thing, you are uploading something in the background also. So these are the different thing what a programmer is need to do in his whole life. He has to do certain so many tasks at the same period of time. She can be given a time limit of 1 hour to complete all the things. So if only one tab is not getting executed, and just in wait of that one tab execution, other tabs are also waiting to get executed. So that is just going to hamper the, that is just going to hamper your time only, because time is something which is very important in programmers language, as we have studied that time complexity. If our code is even much more longer, then also it gives a TLE. So you can see that time is such an important thing. And in this asynchronous and the synchronous, in synchronous, what it happens, every tab is, or whatever you say, your programs are just synced to each another in such a way that the moment one gets executed, then only second will get the chance to be executed. And if one is taking 1 hour long to get executed, then others are also waiting for that one particular hour. So that is very hectic. Like, seriously, if those tabs, if there are 1,000 tabs, then it will be taking so long to get executed. So that's why asynchronous programming is something in which you don't have to wait for so long, so that you can just run multiple tabs, multiple programs in just one go. And it depends on the tab that how much time it can take. In asynchronous, the tabs are running without disturbing each another. They are, getting executed at their own path. They do not interrupt each other's, execution. And so that's how asynchronous work. Not so in synchronous. In synchronous, what it does that if one tab is not running properly, then others will also not going to run properly, because they all are linked to each other. So that's why asynchronous is much more preferred, so that coders, can do multiple tasks at one go. So that's why we prefer, asynchronous than synchronous. Hardly there will be people who are preferring synchronous programming, because that is a huge because there is a huge difference between the both, because time is of course something that is very important. So that's it from my end. I hope I was able to explain the concept. So that's it. Thank you for listening me, and have a very good day. Thank you.